I'm going to be talking about rebuilding these drive shafts and what we had to do for that, and then we'll get another video up as soon as that's done. Just got done cleaning these drive shafts up. We're gonna have to press in these new Toyo universal joints in here, but first we got to get these grease fittings out, so we'll work on that tomorrow, because as you can see, that one's definitely seen some contact. Alright, so what we got going on is rebuilding these drive shafts. We're gonna use the Toyo U-joints